Modern society cannot function without electricity. Electricity provides us a form of energy called electrical energy. It is one of the most efficient, pollution-free and useful forms of energy. Conductors and insulators. We know that electricity, electric current, flows when we have a source of current, like a dry cell or a battery, and a closed path or circuit. Connecting wire, torch bulb, bulb holder, cell. Materials that allow electricity to flow through them easily are called conductors. A, B. Materials that do not allow electricity to flow through them easily are called insulators. Bulb lights up. Torch bulb, bulb holder, cell. An electric tester consists of an electric cell, a torch bulb fitted in a holder, and some connecting copper wires. Bulb does not light up. Rubber eraser, bulb holder, torch bulb, cell. An electric tester consists of an electric cell, a torch bulb fitted in a holder, and some connecting copper wires. Modifications in electric tester. The bulb glows when the electric current passes through an electric tester due to the heating effect of current. When the current passes through the bulb due to the heating effect of current, the filament of the bulb gets heated to a high temperature and it starts glowing. However, if the current through a circuit is too weak, the filament does not get heated sufficiently and it does not glow. So, we may use an LED in place of the electric bulb in the tester. An LED means a light-emitting diode. It is similar to a bulb, but it runs on very low voltages. LED glows even when a weak electric current flows through it. The colored lights that you see in retail stores, stages, bridges, and even in the keypads of mobile phones are all LEDs. Electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity is a measure of the ability of a substance to carry electric current. Substances that are good conductors of electricity have high electrical conductivity as compared to substances that are poor electrical conductors, also called insulators. Many liquids can conduct electricity. Terms commonly used in describing chemical effects of current. Electrolytes. Chemical compounds whose molecules ionize into positively and negatively charged ions in a solution are called electrolytes. So, electrolytes are chemical compounds which conduct electricity when dissolved in water or in molten state. Non-electrolytes. Some compounds, such as glucose and alcohol, dissolve in water but do not form ions. All such solutions that do not form ions cannot conduct electricity. Such compounds are called non-electrolytes. Electrolysis. The decomposition of an electrolyte by passing an electric current through it is called electrolysis. Electrodes. The metal rods or plates through which current enters or leaves the electrolytes are called electrodes. They are of two kinds. Cathode. The electrode connected to the negative terminal of a cell battery is called cathode. During electrolysis, the positively charged ions, cations, present in the electrolyte move towards the cathode. Anode. The electrode connected to the positive terminal of a cell battery is called anode. During electrolysis, the negatively charged ions, anions, present in the electrolyte move towards the anode. Voltmeter or electrolytic cell. A glass or plastic container containing two electrodes and the electrolyte is called voltmeter or electrolytic cell. In a voltmeter, the process of electrolysis is carried out. Effects of electric current. An electric current can reproduce three effects: heating effect, magnetic effect, chemical effect. When an electric current is passed through an electrolyte, the chemical reactions take place. This is called the chemical effect of electric current. Uses of electrolysis. Extraction of metals from their ores. Electrolysis is used in the extraction of metals from their ores. For example, when a current is passed through molten sodium chloride, sodium is deposited at the cathode and chlorine gas is evolved at the anode. Aluminium and potassium are also extracted from their ores by electrolysis. Manufacture of chemicals. Electrolysis is used for the manufacture of chemicals which are used in industries in large quantities. Manufacture of oxygen gas, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas is done by electrolysis. Refining of metals. Electrolytic refining means refining purification by electrolysis. Electrolytic refining is the most important and most widely used method for refining metals. Many metals like copper, zinc, tin, silver, gold and nickel are refined by this method. Electroplating. The method of coating the metal surface of a given article with a thin layer of superior metal with the help of electric current is called electroplating. Let us understand the electroplating of copper or iron spoon. In this process of electroplating, the object to be electroplated, that is, an iron spoon, is made cathode. Negative electrode. A thin sheet of pure copper is made anode, positive electrode. An acidified solution of copper sulfate is used as an electrolyte taken in an electrolytic tank. When electric current is passed through the acidified copper sulfate solution, copper from copper sulfate solution gets deposited on the surface of iron spoon, forming a reddish layer of copper metal all over the iron spoon. We say that the iron spoon has been electroplated with copper. Uses of electroplating. Electroplating is done for various purposes. Here are a few examples. Decoration. Metals used for making jewelry, like gold and silver, are very expensive. The artificial jewelry made from less expensive metals is electroplated with expensive metals like gold and silver to give expensive look. Protection. Iron objects are electroplated with chromium or nickel or zinc to protect them from rusting. This is because chromium, nickel and zinc are less reactive metals which do not corrode easily.